Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Yaris rear brakes. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, axle stands, a torque wrench, and various pliers. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is fully disengaged for safety. Loosen the wheel lug nuts, then carefully raise the rear of your car and secure it firmly on axle stands. Finally, remove the wheel and open the brake fluid reservoir cap under the bonnet. Now, let's get to the drum. Sometimes it comes off easily, but if it's stubborn, you can use two 8mm bolts threaded into the drum to help push it off. Once removed, carefully inspect the brake shoes for wear and check all springs and the wheel cylinder for any leaks or damage. It's a great idea to take a picture of the assembly for reassembly reference. Then, clean the hub and backing plate with a wire brush. With the drum off, disconnect the parking brake cable and carefully remove all the old brake shoes and springs. Transfer the adjuster mechanism and parking brake lever from the old shoes to your new ones. Now, meticulously install the new brake shoes, springs, and retaining clips onto the backing plate. Remember to apply a thin layer of copper grease to the metal-to-metal contact points on the backing plate to prevent squeaking and ensure smooth operation. Now carefully reinstall the brake drum, ensuring it slides on without resistance. Once the drum is back, adjust the brake shoes by pressing the brake pedal 10 to 15 times to set the self-adjuster. Reattach the wheel, lower your car, and tighten the lug nuts to their specified torque, typically around 89 foot-pounds. Finally, check your brake fluid level, top it up if needed, and gently test the brakes in a safe area.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.